big part of what I believe being in business is about being curious, about testing things, trying things, experimenting, whatever the word is that you like to call it. Curiosity is a huge gift to yourself when you are an entrepreneur and running your own business, especially if you're solo. If you don't have the budget or the desire to have a team, working behind the scenes. And on that point, I would say that even if you do have a team, and of course, that's highly recommended so that you can focus on what's most important in your business. But even then, I think it's really important as a business owner for you to know how things work in your business, rather than just saying, okay, here, I bought this video app. Please go set it up and use it and buy and make it work for me. I think it's important that you know how to use it too. And when you know how the tools work that you're using in your business, then you can be much better informed and can better direct the people who work with you, better direct the people on your team. So my tip for you as an entrepreneur, whether you're doing it yourself or you have a team, you got to know how to use the tools. It'll serve you well in the long run.